Hey, what's going on, guys? Healthy don't hurt. We are pushing the needle as usual. So, no job, who this? What happened? Let's talk about it. So, the owner of the company of the tech agency that I got hired through gave the recruiter that had called me and sent me the paperwork and did all the HR boot work, all the heavy footwork, incorrect information. Not only for the location in which I would work at, the gas mileage compensation, and the 4 Saturday shifts. Let's talk about it. So, the location I was supposed to work at the North Campus near me, which is relatively close, it's a 5 minute drive. Turns out they wanted me to drive all around the city, 4 different locations, and there I would get put in their weak spot in their weakest areas. And she didn't tell me that, but she was pretty much saying she can't avoid it, and that's their weakest spot is this place called South Hills. It's in the southern part of Pittsburgh. It's an hour away from me. I'm like, I'm not about to work, an hour away from my house. That's ridiculous. She's like, oh, I did it for the past 20 years. Cool. Good for you. You're an idiot. I'm not driving 14 hours a week behind the wheel. You could do that dumb shit. I'm not. Forget that. So, that was the first thing, I was gonna, and the second thing was, the gas mileage compensation. They have off branches and off branch learning centers at this college. They have like 3 or 4 classrooms, and they still need tech support. Great, perfect. In the paperwork that I had signed and what I had agreed to in these Zoom meetings was about 34 cents for every so miles. I'm not sure what the exact amount is, but every X amount of miles, you get 35 cents. Cool, I get compensated. It might not be a lot. It might just be like $60, $70 a week. I'll take it because it'll take care of the gas mileage and the wear and tear on my car. No problem. So it turns out that was false. They never do that. They've never done that. It was completely wrong. And the owner told the recruiter that hired me that that would happen. And he lied to her. She lied to me. Or at least that's what I'm being told. I don't know what the truth is. There's always what I say, what he says, and then there's the actual truth. um, and there's also the 4 Saturday shifts. I was talking to the IT director and the cybersecurity director. They're both the same person. You're just going over my schedule and everything, and they're like, you're gonna have to work some Saturdays. I was like, no, I'm not. She's like, yeah, yeah, yeah. We need some help in peak hours when the semester starts. All these students, need help with their onboarding. You're gonna have to work Saturdays. I was like, that's not what I signed up for. No. So, the whole thing just fell apart, man, and there was no accountability. They were trying to give me a different position, but I'm like, why can't y'all just give me what I asked for? The position was great. I would have been able to work on a variety of issues, work on a variety of issues, and it really would have helped my IT career. But I just can't sit in traffic for an hour. And if you're making me use my car to drive places, to drop off laptops, monitors, servers, whatever the case may be, I need that gas mileage compensation. You ain't about to be running my car into the ground for your company because it's not my company; it's your company. And the Saturday shifts, like I got signed, I just couldn't do it. It just didn't work out. I'm gonna get back on the horse. It was an epic fail. I don't think I'm gonna do any more any business with these tech recruiters. I think I might be done. If I can avoid it, I will absolutely avoid working with these tech recruiters. This is very discouraging, but I shall continue to fight on. Tech career can, if you can develop, blossom into a flower, you can have a great career. You get that bag, and you can work remotely. More importantly, which is very important because I have a son. And yeah, man, it's a major L today. Major L today. No job. Who this? Back on the job market. Holla at your boy on LinkedIn, monster.com, Indeed, ZipRecruiter. We out here, but it's tough, man. It's very unfortunate. This position would have done a lot for me, but I just can't. I just can't do it. I was shocked. I was honestly shocked at the recruiter's error because I had went over all of the requirements, the pay, the location, everything, the gas mileage compensation, me not working Saturdays, and why I don't want to work the weekends because I have a son. It's a conflict of interest with daycare, and I want to spend time with him. And she was like, "We got you." Guess what? They don't got me. It happens. You gotta take the wins with the losses. And one thing about the drawing board, I live at the drawing board. The drawing board is not that scary if you're always at it. So I'm about to pick up my marker and I'm about to get to work and draw me up a new plan. I'm gonna flood the market with job applications and get back on the horse. Um, Man, what a day! What a day! This happened yesterday. I just needed a day to compress. Anybody's trying to break into the IT industry or to a different industry, just keep trying. Just keep trying. I believe I can out hustle this, and we'll see if it's possible. If you guys have any tips, any questions, please leave a comment below. Have you guys ever had a bad experience with a staffing agency, with a tech recruiting agency, with a recruiting agency? Leave a comment below, like the video, and you guys have a great day. As normal, healthy, don't hurt. I'm out.